Welcome back, lovebirds. Today, we're delving into the mysterious world of love, specifically exploring the secret signs women show when they're madly in love with men. Get ready for some intriguing insights that will leave you on the edge of your seats. So, gentlemen, buckle up and get ready to uncover the hidden clues that could reveal just how deeply she's fallen for you. 1. She is curious to learn everything about you. Imagine having someone in your life who was as curious about you as a detective on a mission. This woman was like a sleuth, eagerly delving into the enigma that was you. She asked you endless questions, from your cherished childhood memories to your most beloved hobbies. She was genuinely interested in every little detail of your life, leaving no stone unturned. Her unwavering curiosity and interest in you were truly captivating, making you feel seen and valued in a way you had never experienced before. 2. She demonstrates a strong sense of care and concern. Her care and concern for you were evident in her actions. She would go out of her way to ensure you were comfortable and taken care of. She would surprise you with your favorite meals, leave little notes of encouragement, and always be there to lend a listening ear. Her genuine care and concern were clear signs of her deep affection for you. 3. She was your biggest cheerleader. Whenever you set your sights on a new goal or dream, she would be right there by your side, cheering you on. Whether it was training for a marathon, starting your own business, or learning a new instrument, she believed in your abilities and pushed you to reach for the stars. Her constant support and unwavering belief in you were like a beacon of inspiration, propelling you forward with renewed determination. 4. She was your rock during challenging times. When obstacles came crashing down, she didn't abandon you to face them alone. Instead, she stood by your side with a shoulder to lean on, providing unwavering support and a beacon of reassurance. Her presence during those challenging moments spoke volumes about her commitment to you and the depth of her love for you. It was a powerful reminder that you were not alone, and her unwavering dedication melted your heart like never before. 5. She was a master of bringing joy into your life. She would plan surprises, big or small, to brighten your mood and make you happy. From spontaneous road trips to little acts of kindness, she always had something up her sleeve to put a smile on your face. 6. She accepted you unconditionally, flaws and all. She saw you for who you truly were, flaws and all, and loved you with a wholehearted acceptance that left you in awe. She never tried to mold you into someone else or impose unrealistic expectations on you. Her unconditional love and acceptance of you just as you are, without any conditions or reservations, were a testament to the purity and authenticity of her feelings. For example, even when you made mistakes or had moments of weakness, she stood by your side, offering comfort and understanding, without any judgment or criticism. 7. She makes efforts to bond with your loved ones. She genuinely cared about your family and friends, and she made an effort to get to know them and build a connection. She would remember their birthdays, ask about their well-being, and participate in family gatherings. 8. She's vulnerable with you. She shared her deepest fears, cherished dreams, and intimate insecurities with you. Her willingness to be completely herself and trust you with her innermost thoughts was a testament to the depth of her emotional connection and love for you. It was as if she had handed you the key to her heart, showing that she felt safe and secure in your presence. Her vulnerability was a precious gift that bound you together in a bond of trust and intimacy, and it made your heart swell with admiration and affection for the incredible woman who had chosen to be vulnerable with you. 9. She entrusts you with her deepest, most personal past experiences. She shared with you her most cherished memories and personal experiences, both the highs and the lows. From the moments that brought her joy to the ones that brought her sorrow, she entrusted you with her life story. It was a clear indication of her deep trust in you, as she opened up and shared her innermost self with you. Her willingness to be transparent and vulnerable with you showed her love and commitment towards you, allowing you to truly understand and appreciate the person she was and the journey that had brought her to your side. 10. She does not take you for granted. She never overlooked your efforts. She made sure to express her heartfelt appreciation and gratitude towards you in both words and actions. She recognized and acknowledged the little things you did for her, showing genuine thankfulness. 11. She is a reliable source of wisdom and advice in your life. She always had your back and offered sound advice when you needed it the most. Her wisdom and guidance were invaluable to you, and her genuine care for your well-being shone through in her words and actions. 12. You were her top priority. Despite her busy schedule, she always made time for you. She consistently showed up for you and made you feel like the most important person in her life. Her actions spoke volumes, conveying her deep love and unwavering commitment towards you. You were never just an afterthought, but someone she cherished and prioritized above all else. 13. She makes sacrifices for your sake. She selflessly prioritized your needs and happiness, often putting them above her own. She was willing to make compromises, go the extra mile, and make sacrifices just to see you happy. Her unwavering selflessness and willingness to put you first were clear indications of her unconditional love and unwavering devotion towards you. She consistently showed that her love for you was selfless and genuine, and she was always willing to make sacrifices for your sake. 14. She doesn't tolerate the bad things you do. She holds you to a high standard and does not condone negative behavior or actions on your part. She sets clear boundaries and has zero tolerance for any harmful or unacceptable behavior from you. She values respect, integrity, and kindness, and does not hesitate to address and confront any negative actions or behaviors you exhibit. 15. She's afraid of losing you. She spoke about your future together, making plans and setting goals as a couple. She envisioned a life with you and shared her dreams and aspirations with you. Her willingness to plan a future together was a significant indication of her deep love and commitment towards you. And there you have it, folks. The secret signs women show when they're head over heels in love with men. From their unwavering curiosity and care to their willingness to be vulnerable and make sacrifices, these hidden clues can speak volumes about their true feelings. So, next time you notice these signs in that special someone, you'll know that she might just be madly in love with you. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey of love and intrigue. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time, happy love hunting.